Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Xbox codes in 2023. Basically, guys, these are Xbox gift card codes that are unused. Everyone can do this. It takes just a few minutes. I'm going to be recording my mobile over on my desk and showing you guys how you can go ahead and get your free Xbox codes. It takes a few minutes and you're going to get a $100 code to use however you want. Spend it how you wish in the Xbox store. Let me get into the tutorial. I'll see you in a minute.
Hey, what's up, guys? I am back and I have a cool little video for you, and this one is how to get free Xbox digital gift cards. As you can see, they're quite expensive. If you want to buy a game from the Xbox store, you're gonna need the 50 Great British Pounds, which equates to around 60 US dollars. Pretty expensive if you ask me, and no one wants to pay this sort of money. Because I mean, look at the prices of these games. You got Call of Duty here for $69.99 Great British Pounds. I mean, look at this, 100 Great British Pounds for the Vault Edition. It's just absolutely insane. So these digital gift cards are basically, when you purchase one, it just gives you a 16, I believe. Is it 16 or 20? I think it's 16, and it's a 16-digit code that you redeem in the on your Xbox or in your Xbox store account, and you're paying this money simply to get a code emailed to you, which credits your account. So I thought, like, surely there's gotta be a way to be able to get your own code without paying for one. So I spent a long time looking for this, and I actually found a way how you can go ahead and get free Xbox codes. And they work, they redeem, and they credit your account just as if you've purchased it yourself. So let me go ahead and show you how you can go and get one. You need to get on your mobile phone. You can do it on your desktop, and I will run through it's a little bit in the background if you're doing it on your desktop, but I recommend on your phone. It's so much easier. So you've got to go to the following website, guys. Type it exactly like this. It's giftcardhero.net. So you want to type it exactly like that, so you go directly to the website and not to Google. Let's go there. And you can see this page loads up. I'll have it open in the background as well. We need to find the Xbox One. You can see it in the background here. If you've got a good set of eyes, you can just scroll down on your phone and find it there. So we click it. And as you can see, it brings up a page, and it's got a step-by-step guide, basically talking through how to do it. If you like reading, it's pretty much like a Lord of the Rings novel, so I'm gonna skip through it. But there's this green button here, free Xbox code generator, so we're gonna click it. It's gonna bring us to this page. So we scroll down and we see these gift card values. We want to select, well, I know you're not going to select the 20, guys, so let's select the 100. It's going to do some complicated things like searching through the database for unused codes. Basically, it looks for codes that have been purchased but are close to expiry and they've not been used yet. So we might as well use them ourselves, you know? It's as simple as that. It's gonna search for your code. Okay, so it releases part of the code, and you can see it's blocked out the last remaining digits. So we just need to complete a human verification step. Super simple. The instructions will be on the next page. You just got to basically complete a couple of free surveys or download and install a couple of free apps. It takes like 30 seconds to complete, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back with you. So I just completed the human verification, and I had to complete 2 surveys, and you can see it's now released the full code. So this code will credit your account $100. One lucky person can go ahead and claim this one because I don't need it. But to get your own, you're gonna have to go to giftcardhero.net and follow the steps I've shown you here in the video. So you need to go here, Gift Card Hero. Excuse the dust on my screen, absolute disgrace, but it's as easy as that, guys. If you need any help, drop a comment below. I'll be willing to help people out who need it. Also, press the like button if this helped you and you got your code. So press the like button, basically press it if you got your code to show people it works. Subscribe to my channel. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time.